Hello, health buddies. I'm sure you're looking for a bread recipe that is healthy, free of chemicals, preservatives, and of course, commercial yeast. Yes, my dear friends, today I bring to you Sado Garlic Bread India. However, before that, want to give you a peep into whole wheat sourdough starter series that I have done until now. You must start your sourdough baking journey in order to give your family healthy bread recipes. Healthy breads that are easy to digest. Why are sourdough breads healthy and easy to digest? Because the starches in the flour are absorbed by the natural yeast in sourdough starter. So for this recipe you need 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons of normal water at room temperature and 2 tablespoons of whole wheat sourdough starter. I'll be sharing the link to making this sourdough starter at home. I have already shared this complete day-to-day sourdough starter series and it will solve most of your doubts regarding sourdough starter making at home. So add to this 3 tablespoons of oatmeal or oat powder and mix. It's completely optional. If you don't want to add oats, you can add 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. Now add 1 teaspoon of golden syrup with jaggery or maple syrup and half teaspoon of salt. If you don't have maple syrup or golden syrup with jaggery, you can add jaggery instead. Otherwise you can make it at home as well. I'll be leaving the link in the description. Now you add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and as always I advise you to add the flour in batches. Never ever dump the flour all at once. This is for my bread recipes, cakes as well as cookies. You must get the right dough consistency, the right batter consistency. Now cover for 10 minutes and after 10 minutes it will be very loose. So we'll be adding more flour here. I added half cup extra of whole wheat flour. However, again you need to add it in batches. Now start to knead the dough. I'll be leaving a link to kneading the bread dough. How to knead a bread dough, you can check it in description box. Knead it well. Kneading will help gluten formation in the dough, that will give you a chewy texture. Now roll it into a ball until it feels slightly tight and elastic. After that, put it into a container for bulk fermentation for 6 to 10 hours. You can rest it for at least 15 hours for bulk fermentation. Now after removing from fridge, keep it at room temperature until it is softened and it rises. After that you need to dust the surface or counter with some flour and roll it out with a rolling pin or use your hands. Using the rolling pin is useful in this case. Now divide it into 4 because I made 4 types of garlic bread with whole wheat sourdough starter. Now roll it out like a ball, round ball. Do this with all the 4 pieces. So if you have yet to start your sourdough starter India series, do start it right now. You will never ever look back into making breads with commercial yeast or baking powder or soda. So now roll it out gently. Always be gentle with your sourdough starter dough. Gently flatten one ball. Don't make it too thin, because if you make it too thin then the crust will harden. Yes, now make a cut in the center and then we'll be adding the filling. I have prepared with garlic, mint, a little amount of flax meal, oregano, salt, black salt and vegan cheese or butter. If you don't have vegan cheese or butter, I'll be sharing the link to making your own vegan cheese at home, else you can use butter instead. I have made this vegan cheese at home. If you want, you can check the description box for link to making your own vegan cheese at home with cashews. Else, you can add oil instead. You now top the bread with oil, sesame seeds, and the garlic topping. Leave it to rest for 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes bake it for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated air fryer, oven, convection or OTG. And after 20 minutes add little oil, brush with little oil and bake for 5 minutes again. I advise keeping the bread little thicker than you see mine, or you can brush with milk instead. Now it has a crispy crust and a chewy texture, and it tasted really good. Another way is to make it into a typical garlic bread like this, in with filling inside and outside, and then you can also make this bread in a round form. We all loved all forms of this garlic bread with whole wheat sourdough starter. I hope you too find it useful. A sourdough bread is healthiest breads of all, and you must start your sourdough baking journey right away to give your families chemical free breads.